I have my very own parking spot. Holy moly, I think this means I've made it. All right, so I have literally been waiting for this day forever, and I cannot believe that I actually have my name on the side of a freaking building. Like, look at this. This is so cool. So I've been talking about this now for months, I feel like, and it's finally arrived. My feather wall! Oh my God, we're putting it right here, and it is right there. I'm so excited, cannot wait. I'm gonna show you guys what this thing looks like. Holy moly, moly. Look at this! Oh my God! Yay! Alright, so it's official. My office has completely been taken over by feathers, and I couldn't be more excited. Holy smokes, guys. So I used this company called Rose Morning, and they have been unbelievable. I got my feather wall. It is gorgeous. Look at this thing. It's all handmade, and they have a code for you guys. They have flower walls, they have feather walls, they have like the most gorgeous things ever. So check them out right now. This is like the best day ever. This is how easy it is to hang the feather wall. Julian, you helping Dada? Look at this. Oh my goodness.